Good morning. How are you? It's a wonderful day. And this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. Do you know what day it is today? Today is Thursday. That's right. You got it. And what day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of October. It's almost the end of October. Okay, should we read the date together? Let's do it. Today is Thursday, October 29th, 2020. Super. And how many letters are there in the alphabet? Do you know? That's right, 26. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. That's right. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. And how many vowels are there in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Did you dance with me? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Super fun. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. Should we read these? Look, there's a happy face on top of it. So it's the short sound. A, apple. E, elephant. I, inchworm. A, ostrich. A, umbrella. Let's mix it up a bit. I, Indian. A, umbrella. E, elephant. What does the elephant say? Ostrich. You guys are just amazing. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. The name of this letter is A. It makes a sound as in apple. A says ah. Good. The name of this letter is E. It makes a sound as in elephant. What does the elephant say? E says Good job. The name of this letter is I. It makes the sound as in inchworm. I says I. Good job. The name of this letter is O. It makes the sound as in ostrich. O says ah. Good job. The name of this letter is U. It makes the sound as in umbrella. U says ah. Very good. So those are our vowels. And now let's see the consonants we've learned. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound B as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says boo. The name of this letter is C. It makes the sound k as in cat. C says k. Good job. The name of this letter is D. It makes the sound D as in dog. D says D. The name of this letter is F. It makes a sound F as in fox. F says Good job. The name of this letter is G. It makes a sound G as in goat. G says G, G, G. The name of this letter is H. It makes a sound as in horse. Neigh! H says The name of this letter is J. It makes a sound J as in jar. J says J, J, J. The name of this letter is L. It makes a sound L as in lamp. L says L, L, L. The name of this letter is M. It makes a sound as in milk. M says The name of this letter is N. It makes a sound as in nest. N says The name of this letter is R. It makes a sound R as in ring. R says R, R, R. The name of this letter is S. It makes a sound S as in sun. Sun, sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. The name of this letter is T. It makes a sound T as in table. T says T, T, T. Superty duperty good. Alrighty then. You guys are so amazing. Today we're going to learn a new letter. This is the letter K. It makes the sound the same as the letter C. They both make the same sound. The name of this letter is K. It makes the sound as in kite. K says Now, I want to tell you something. Let me show you this blend. This is Kathy Cat. And you can spell Kathy with the cat. But look what I wrote on the board. C goes with A, O, or U. So C goes with A, O, or U. And K goes with E and I. E, there's the E and the I. Okay? Ka, ke, ki, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ki, ka. Very good. Alrighty then. Now, let's play a little game. Should we play the game? What should we play? Thumbs up. You want to play it with me? Okay, so when you hear a word that has the same sound as the letter K, we're going to put our thumbs up. And if we don't, we're going to put them down. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to rumble? Here we go. We'll put them like this to start with. And then if it has the word, we go like this and like that. If it doesn't. Okay? Yes, it has the K sound. No, it does not have the K sound. Key. Key. You got it. Lion, lion. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Kiss, kiss. Pan, pan. Leaf, leaf. King, king. Kettle, kettle. Kitchen, kitchen. Map, map. Kitten, kitten. You got it. Super good. Now we're going to do a little poem that talks about the letter K. Are you ready? It's called K Animals. K Animals. Isn't that cute? Kitten, koala, kangaroo. They all start with the letter K. Kitten, koala, kangaroo. Which K animals live in the zoo? Koala, kangaroo. Kitten, koala, kangaroo. Which would you rather live with you? Kitten, meow, meow, meow. Because I don't think we could have a koala or a kangaroo living in our house. Can you imagine that? Let's do it one more time. K animals. Kitten, koala, kangaroo. Which K animals live in the zoo? Koala and kangaroo. Kitten, koala, kangaroo. Which would you rather live with you? Kitten, meow. A kitten is a baby cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Okay, here we go. Now remember, the K, here it's marked with a happy face, kit, cat, kit, cat. Because the other ones, ka, let me find the other two over here. There they are. There they are. The C also makes the k sound, and they go with cat, ka, or ka. And the K goes with cat and kit. Okay, you got it? Good to know. Good to know. Let's bring over our alphabet, our felt alphabet. And look, there's a tree. Can you see it? Let me put it down a little more. There you go. Okay, and there's a squirrel. And there's a butterfly and a little mouse peeking out of the tree trunk and a ladybug. So we're going to start by making some blends. Okay, could you please go get the vowels and the consonants C and K from your movable alphabet? Okay, are you ready? And we need to decide which vowel goes with which letter, okay? Remember that k makes the same sound. The C and the K make the same sound. Okay, here we go. And every time you get it right, we'll put an apple inside the tree. Oh, what a fun game. Here we go. Ka, 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 ah, ka. Good job. Let's put them back. Next one. But first we get to put an apple on the tree. Yay. Okay, here you go. Ready for another one? All righty. Cat, cat. The K goes with the E. Cat, cat. Did you get it? Super-duper good. Let's put them back. And we get to put an apple on the tree. Yay! That is so fun. Okay, here's another one. Kit, kit. The C or the K? The K. K. Eh. Kit. Kit. Super. Okay, let's put it back. And we get to put another apple on the tree. Okay, next one is ka, ka, k, ah. Whoopsie. Ka, ka. Good job. Let's put another apple on the tree. And the last one is ka, ka. The C with the U. Ka, over. Let's put it back in its place. Superty good. Okay. Now we need to put another apple on the tree. Now let me go to the other side and we can read some words. Can you read these words with me? What does this say? Can. That's right. Super. You get to put another apple on the tree. Superty duper. What about this word? What does it say? Bob. That's right. Super. Let's put another apple on the tree. You guys are amazing. Okay, are you ready? Here's another word. What does it say? Bus. That's right. We get to put another apple on the tree. Okay, and now we're going to say 2 words, and then we'll put another apple on the tree. What does this say? Did. That's right. And the last one, can you read it for me? Bed. Good, we get to put the last apple on the tree. Thank you so much. That was a super fun game. All right, let me move our felt board over here. Whoopsie. Don't worry, I'll pick them up in a second. Over here. Okay. Letters and sounds, pages 41 and 42. So get your letters and sounds out. And let's open up to page 41 to start with. And we're going to write our name at the top of the page. Parents, make sure to put the date. Now, it says circle the beginning letter for each word. Okay, remember to repeat the word with me. King. King. Circle the letter that has the beginning sound of king. Good job. Kite. Kite. Circle the letter that has the beginning sound of kite. Jacket. Jacket. You circle the letter, you know which one. Good job. Jet. Jet. Which letter does jet begin with? Okay, good job. Key. Key. Circle the letter. Good job. And the last one is Jack in the box. Jack in the box. Okay. Did you circle the letter? Which letter has the beginning sound of Jack in the box? Okay, fill in the circle under each picture that begins with the blend given. Okay, what does this blend say? Can you read it? Te. That's right. Does the word 10 have the blend te? You decide. What about tub? Tub. Does tub have the blend te? You decide. And the last one is tent. Tent. Does tent begin with the blend te? You decide. Okay, what does this say? Ja. Ja. Does jar begin with the blend ja? You decide. Does jump rope begin with the blend ja? You decide. What about jug? Jug. Does jug begin with the ja sound? You decide. Okay, you did that one. Now we have our last page for today. It says, Listen. Match the pictures that begin with the same blends. Okay, you repeat the words so you can know them, and then you have to find ones that have the same sound. Hat, hat. Jacket, jacket. Kiss, kiss. Rabbit, rabbit. Map, map. Good job. Okay, now on the other side. Kick, kick. So I'll tell you the first one. Kick and kiss go together because they both begin with the blend kick. So we draw a line. Raccoon, raccoon. Hammer, hammer. Mat, mat. Check in the box, check in the box. Okay, you guys did it. You're amazing. You guys are learning so much, and I'm so proud of you. And I'll see you. Bye. Lots of love.